Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. We're going to check these guys out. Link will be down below. And you guys can get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. That time again of the year, getting closer to the holidays. There we go. And you guys can get one of these. Oh boy, what do we got here? Oh boy. Oh, this is nice. I know what this is. Alright, alright. Alright, YouTubers. This is coming from Chillax. You guys gotta chill out sometimes. Look at this towel. We got the Chillax chair towels. Hotel style accessories. How comfortable that looks. Definitely find me could sleep on these. They're out at the beach chilling. Right now it's cold out there. It's supposed to snow tonight. Not looking forward to it, the winter. But definitely not moving out to Michigan anytime soon. I'll stay out here for a while now. We got a lot of good things coming up. And then now this though, this is super comfortable. Can't wait. Oh yeah. Hey. Nice logo. Got the penguin. Chillax, man. Gotta chill through these wicked times. We'll make it through it though. So look at this. This is a super duper towel. This is really comfortable. Not gonna lie. Yeah, look at that. Hold on one sec. I want to put it on a chair to show you what it looks like. Oh wow, look at this. They got side pockets. You can put your phones in there, cigarettes, blunts, vapors, your e-cigarettes. You could stuff in there while on the beach relaxing. Look at this towel. This is crazy. Look at that. But you got those longer chairs when you're at the beach. You can use them for. This is only like a brief demo. Uh-oh, what is this? Uh-oh, we got pockets. More zippers. Oh boy. Hey. A bonus. I had to open that up. Look at this though. Just fit it like a laptop in here. Nintendo Switch. Look at that. Got the deep pockets. This is like the first kind of towel I've ever seen like this before. It's really nice. Guys outdid it. Got the pockets. So maybe you can shove a pillow. Maybe that's what this is. Hold on. I think this might be a pillow. Chill at the beach. Drinking your mojito. Your mimoso. Tequila. Something. Got the beach day. Get your beach towel. And relax. Oh yeah. Yep, that's what it was. Chillax towel. Oh man, I don't know, my lungs could blow it up. Nope, I'm gonna need a filter or a pump. But this is the pillow that comes with it. Once you blow it up, you just gotta shove it back in to this pocket right here, and you can use it as a headrest. That is awesome. Oops, fumble risky. But really cool. This is crazy. So once you, like I said, blow it back up, just shove it in, like so. My lungs, I can't do this, getting old. So, but that's how it's done. You just shove it in, seal it back up, and it'll be like a pillow. Awesome stuff. Chillax. Link will be down below. Get it while you can. They'll be gone. They're selling out fast right now. So this would be a sweet gift idea for somebody that likes the beach. Yeah, buddy. Alright, YouTubers, be safe out there. See you guys soon. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, blown up. I got my pump out. I had to pump it up a few times. That's a pillow that came in the side pocket. Let me zoom. Oh, shoot. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. But look at this. that's what the pillow looks like blown up. And all you gotta do is zip it open and then zip it back. Close it. There we go. Sorry about that. So like I said, this is something really cool to get. Something different. Nice little gift. Got a side pocket. But this is, like I said, a demo because got no beach day today. It's definitely cold out there. It's winter time and it's cold. So right now, look how long that is. Huge towel. Definitely cover up anyone's size. So nice shot right there. Nice color. And like I said, really comfortable. The threads. Whew. Maybe you could sleep on it. I don't know. Give it a shot, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Have a good night. Be safe and see you back tomorrow.